New Castle Uber and Lyft accident attorneys. Rideshare services like Uber and Lyft help us reach destinations when we cannot drive ourselves, but when a rideshare driver causes a crash, it can be unclear who pays for medical bills, lost wages and other damages. At Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George PC, our car accident lawyer team understands how confusing and stressful this process is, and our New Castle Uber and Lyft accident attorneys offer clear guidance and accountability. Researchers from the University of Chicago and Rice University compared traffic fatality data before and after rideshare services launched and found that since 2011 traffic deaths have risen by about 2 to 3%. A contributing factor is deadheading, where drivers spend around 40% of their time driving empty, increasing congestion and crash risk. After a crash, you should call 911 and wait for police and paramedics. Tell the officer what happened, write down names and insurance details, take photos of the scene and any injuries, see a doctor even if you were not treated at the scene, report the accident to your insurer without signing anything, and consult a personal injury attorney experienced with rideshare claims before accepting any settlement. These steps protect your rights and preserve evidence. Pennsylvania's choice no-fault system means injured people first use their policy's first-party medical benefits, which provide at least $5,000 in coverage. However, this may be insufficient for serious injuries. Although rideshare companies classify drivers as independent contractors, state law requires them to carry insurance based on the driver's status. Period 1. When the app is on but no ride is accepted, requires at least $50,000 per person in bodily injury, $100,000 per accident and $25,000 in property damage plus first-party medical benefits. When the driver has accepted a ride or is transporting a passenger, law requires at least $500,000 in primary auto liability coverage, and Uber and Lyft maintain at least $1 million in third-party liability coverage. A rideshare accident lawyer builds your case by quickly securing trip data, police reports, dashcam or traffic camera footage and witness statements. Injuries are documented with medical records, and bills and preservation letters are sent to ensure critical data is not deleted. The advocate analyzes liability and insurance under Pennsylvania's Act 164, values your claim by examining medical care, future treatment, lost wages and pain and suffering, handles communications with insurers and prepares a demand package, pursuing additional benefits when available. Our family-owned law firm emphasizes personal service. Multiple members of Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George PC are board-certified civil trial professionals with decades of experience recovering hundreds of millions of dollars for clients. We are known for aggressive advocacy, and insurers understand that we will go to trial, which often helps secure favorable settlements. Clients work directly with a team that understands these cases and cares about the people we serve. Common injuries include whiplash and neck injuries, back injuries, head and brain injuries, fractures, soft tissue damage, internal injuries and emotional trauma. Compensation may cover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, property damage, loss of consortium and punitive damages when the driver's conduct is particularly reckless. Because recovering damages after a rideshare crash is more complicated than a standard claim, working with a skilled attorney is essential. For knowledgeable guidance after an Uber or Lyft accident in New Castle, contact Luxenberg Garbett Kelly and George PC at 315 North Mercer Street, New Castle, Pennsylvania, 16101, or call 724-658-8535. Our law firm is ready to listen your story and help you pursue the compensation you deserve.